Hello, Minnesota history students. Welcome to Minnesota history, 6th grade Minnesota history. I'm going to show you what I'm expecting from you or how to use Schoology in my class. First thing to do is go to your course and click on the course from Schoology. Once you get in here, anything you need to know for my class will be in the syllabus. So let's click on that. The first thing you're going to notice is a description of what Minnesota history is and what what I'm expecting from you in class. It's also going to show you a login and a password for our Minnesota history textbook. So we have a link here. Login is 111, password is Lake. Now you can also get there by clicking on this link, which is just kind of jumping all over, sorry. But if you click on the textbook, it will, when you click here, it will bring you immediately to this page. Now I've logged in already, so it's not going to ask me to do that, but when you are logging in for the first time, it will ask you login and password, so it's 111, and then Lake, all lowercase, is your password. So that's our textbook, and we'll go through that more once we start using it. And then every day when you come to my class, you need to make sure you take attendance. We click on that folder, we click here, we click on the day. So today is the 31st. Make sure you click on that, answer the attendance question. You are now have taken your attendance from my class. You also want to make sure that you're going to the calendar to make sure that you know what we're doing daily. You can see that every day there's attendance. This shows you what I'm doing in my Minnesota and US history class. So on yours it will look different, but on mine it shows everything that I have. So let's just click on your Minnesota history agenda and what it should look like. You should have received an email from the school and it looks like this, so that you know that if you're in group A, on Monday you're doing this, group B, on Monday you're doing this, and if you're a distance learner, you're doing this on Monday. So look to see what category you're in, and then let's look to see what day we're on. And that way I'll know exactly what we're doing in my class each and every day. Since this is more of a tutorial on Schoology, I think we've pretty much covered everything that you'll need to know. Just make sure that you come into Schoology, check to see what we're doing in my class. You're going to need to make sure that you go to this folder for your worksheets. That's what these top two are. And then Quizlet is what we use to review for tests and quizzes in my class. And then you can see right below that the test is here. I wish they had a different emblem for homework versus test, but they don't. This folder also has a couple of videos that I've included that you can watch if you'd like. You're not graded on it, but I find them interesting and relating to the topic that we're talking about. You'll also find everything you know for your Minnesota A to Z project here. We'll go into this much more in greater detail once we start that project. So I think that covers everything for now.